I wanted to confirm how accurate are we. So this 38 that I am actually talking about, do you see that I'm actually talking about this 38 where there by my item 4? So this 38, guys, is still correspond with what? Do you see that the 38 I'm talking about is actually there by item 4 and correspond with what? With item 1. That 38. You understand? So it's a proof that indeed item 4 is fitting running through item 2 and item 1. So that is why I used to say 2 or more things, they must agree with you. Indeed, this one is fitting there. You understand? So zoom out. So let's go. So the 38 that I'm actually talking about is what is already there. Remember, this one is now inside of what? Of item 1. And to conclude with that, let's see. They said from here till there is 38, okay, but this one item 4, it is of a what? Of an outside diameter 24. But check it nicely, item 1, this diameter item 4, it is not tally with that diameter of 32. So which means it's going to leave a gap there. There will be a play there. So get rid of it. So I have what? A 38. So you must get a what? A bush, which is item what? A bush, which is item 5. A bush. So that bush of yours, it's supposed to have an outside diameter of 32 of the length 36. Item 5. So the outside diameter is diameter 32, which tells you, okay, if you take a diameter, item 5, if you take item 5 and you take it to you fit it in item 1. It's going to fit it nicely, you understand? It's going to fit nicely there, and it's going to correspond with its length as well as outside diameter, you understand? So which means I will draw this one, this diameter 32. So you take your calculator, 32 divided by 2, how much you're getting 16. So you come back here, this is item 1, isn't it? This is item 1. So you come from here, you get what? 16 this side, you get 16 this side. So this is 15, there is my 16. Which is this one, 32, I'm getting 16, 15, 16 is right there. Is 16, so I mark at 0 and mark at 32. This is 32 right here. And I am going to draw it dark from here till there, and from here till here. You understand? For now, what are these lines that I just drew? They are actually these ones from there till there. They've changed to dark. You understand? And while I'm still bearing it in mind, Ukuti, I am still considering what? Item 5, the outside diameter of it. So that from here till there 32, which means from here till there is 32 of the very same length, 38. So now the inside diameter is what? Is diameter 24. So this 24, it is the one that is going to correspond with what? With item 4. Okay, yes. So now I will say 24 divided by 2, which is what you have already done most. There is no need even for you to do it. You have done it here. Yeah. The time, this is 24, still the same 24. And now the moment you come, my brother, and draw this one dark, there you go, dark. Then you come this side, do the same thing, dark. So you will be like, you assume your bush item 5 already fitted. You understand? So item 5 already fitted, and this item 5 fitted as well as item 4. So I can draw this one dark, which means again this other side I'll draw it dark. So the moment I am drawing it dark like this, item 1 is already accommodated there. You understand? Item 1 already accommodated there. So this one is item 1, this one is item item 4, this one is item 2, this one this one is item what? Item 5, which is the push. So now I can come back to complete my item 1 here, just to have it solid here. You understand? Yes. So I can have this one dark. So now let me see, just give it a zoom out just a little bit. Okay, so now let's go item 5 fitted, and then let's finish up with what? With item 4. So now this 36, the length, this 36, we've already tolerated it. This one from here till there. After where your 38 ends, there is a dimension of 61. So that's 61 from here going this side. 61. 61. Where is my 61? There is 61. There is 61. Okay, so you see that I will have to what? Just extend this one just a little bit, my horizontal center line. I wanted to do places 3, man. So now I can just draw a faint horizontal, a vertical construction line where my 61 ends. Okay, so now we've dealt with item 1, item 2, item 4, item 5. How about item 3? How about item 3? What is the name of item 3? Is the pulley. Item 3, the name of item 3 is the what? Is the pulley. Okay, so let's go for it. So the pulley, it is actually of the internal diameter is diameter 20. So from here till there is diameter 20. So that diameter 20 is corresponding with what? With item 4. So indeed it's good as if you take this pulley and fit it there. You understand? And remember, we are concentrating on what? On front views. So which means this is the front view of item 3, this is the left view of item 3 according to this particular symbol of orthographic projection, which is the first angle orthographic projection. So now we are going to take it the way you see it, my brother. You take it, you fit it there. So the outside diameter of it is what? Is 120. So you take your calculator, 120 divided by 260. So there it is. So it's 60. So what do you do with it? You come here, you go down 60, you go up 60. And before you draw, let's see what is going to happen. Is there any something like a washer or anything? So the washer which we have is item 7, and which is more, so which means without fear or favor we are going to draw item 3 right from here. Item 3, so I will measure 60, which is the half of 120, right from here. So I just mark it 0 and mark it 120. You understand? So now I simply, where I got these, my 0 is there, I go horizontal. You understand? Faint horizontal, do you see that one? And I go down. So there you go, faint. So that is the thickness. So it is of a thickness of what? Of 40 millimeter. You understand? So there is 40 millimeters. As I said, from here to there is 40 millimeter. So I'm going to say 40 this side. So where is my 40? There is my 40. So it is necessary for me to get the what? The half of 40. Why? Because there are inside what you call diameters there. That means, okay, we are told this one is 10, this one is 10, so that 7 is going to automatically come out by itself. So there is no need for me to get the what, the center. Okay, so the 40 is actually ending here. So after that one, from here till there is how much? Is 10 millimeter. So I come and do it. This is my 40. So 45, 10. I can stop, which is right here, and 10 back to 0. I can stop, which is right here. You understand? So from there, construct them up. There you go. There you go. So which means what I did down here, I can do it up here, my brother. So there you go. There you go. So I can come back here and have it solid. There you go. And there you go. And as far as I'm concerned, this, it has to be having just a play. Maybe you can give it a 1 millimeter. You understand? But for now, it's supposed to be like this. So now after this 10, we are told which is there is what, the 7 millimeter. So from here till there, 7 millimeter. You understand? So I come back and get to the 7 millimeter. So there's my 7. Even this other side, you do the same thing. This is 6, this is 7 millimeter. So I mark at 0. Do you understand? Then from there, I constructed them faint up and faint up. Okay. Then after that, let's see what is going to happen now. What is going to happen now? Remember, we are busy with what, with item 3. So how about the dimension from here till there? The dimension from here till there is supposed to be diameter 96. So you take the calculator, 96 divided by 2. How much are you getting? So 48. So you come here, you measure 48, 48. So you can simply put it at 48 like this. This is 40, this is 48, this is 49, this is 48. This is 48, 49, this is 50. You understand? So I mark at 90 what? 96. This is 95. This is 96. I mark at 96 and mark at 0. You understand? So after getting that, so I'll project it faint horizontally, and I come back here. I project it faint horizontally. You understand? So there it goes. What is it giving you, that one? So how about this is the hidden detail, hidden detail. So before you even do this, so if we cut here, this one's supposed to, if we cut from here till there, this one will disappear, this one will disappear, this one will disappear, this one will disappear. Okay, so we are going to have this one dark as well as this one dark. Okay, this is interesting. So this one dark, from here till here it will disappear, and there it goes. This one dark, that goes, it will remain. So from here till here it will remain, and from here till here it will remain, it will remain, it will remain dark and dark. Okay, so how do you do that? So which means now, without your favor, I will have this one dark. For now, there it goes, dark. And this other one here, like, which one is this one? It's actually those ones. You understand? Those ones. Okay. So now we are having the other diameter, which is diameter 88. You understand? So the diameter 88. So 88 divided by 2 is 44, isn't it? 488 divided by 2 is 44. Okay. So what do you do with that one? So coming out, simply put it at 44. This is 45. I am looking for 44, which is that one. So there I mark it 0 and mark it 88, 89, 89. This is 80. The 88 is supposed to be that one. You understand? So now I'll construct a faint line, and then construct faint line this other side. You understand? So now what is going to happen now? So this one, it will remain. This one, it will remain. So I'm going to have a solid line from there till there, from there till there. This one, it will change to solid. If we cut here, you understand, assuming you're given the cutting plan there, they said draw a full section front view of item 3. So this one, it will remain. This one, it will remain. This one, it will remain. You understand? So this one from there to there, it's supposed to change to dark, it disappear, and from here to there, it's supposed to disappear. From here to there, it will remain. From here to there, it will disappear. You do the same thing even on the other side. Understand? So let me do it. So from here, till, you see the first one, from here till right there, dark. There you go. Which one is this one? From here till there, which one is this one? Is this, that one. From there till there, you understand? So it will go up until I get up until I correlate that diameter 30, so that I get this one. You understand? So how do you go about that one? So I'm going to say 30 divided by 2. How much I'm getting? I'm getting 15, isn't it? So I'll come back here to this and let me get the exact point, which is that one. So that from here till there is 30. Remember, the inside one is what is diameter 20. It's diameter 20. Let me start with the 20, so that I'll draw it faint. So 20 divided by 2, you are getting 10. So 20 divided by 2, you are getting 10, isn't it? So I come and simply put it here. I mark at 10 and mark at 20. You understand? And draw them dark till here, till right there. Length. So this diameter 20 is actually one and the same thing as that one there by item 4. It's good as if we've through this one from there to there is how much? It's diameter 20. You understand? But our we were actually dealing with what, with this 20 from there to there, which means this 20 is still corresponding with that one. Confirm which indeed item 3 supposed to be fitted in item 4. You understand? So the moment I'm drawing this one, it's good as if I'm also drawing the part of what, of item 4. Hey, bon. So now what is going to happen now? I was dealing with what, with diameter 15. So 15 divided by 2, we got how much? 30. We divide by 2, we got 15, isn't it? So I simply put it at what? At 15, and mark at 0 there, and mark at 30 right there. You understand? So construct a faint line. Construct a faint line. So this other side is going to be dark till here, and this upper side is going to be dark till right there. So which one is this one? Is this one. This one from there to there has to change to dark, change to dark, has to change to dark, change to dark. You understand? So now I have this one. You understand? So what you did here, you'll be doing it this other side as well. So which means I connect this one with this one, which is which one? Which is that one from there till there. You understand? So there you go. Dark like this, and then I comb this side. There you go. You understand? So what you did this other side, you're going to do it this side now. So there you go. There you go. So from here till there. So there you go. So dark from here till right here. So dark from here till right there. You understand? So I come back and have this one dark and dark. Okay, one. So this is this is, remember we cut to expose the inside view. We cut to expose the inside view. You understand? So now I'll have this one. There you go. You understand? Even this one. There you go. Which one is this one? It's these ones. This one. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. So the outside one. You understand? So this one again. There you go. Even this other one. There you go. You understand? So we cut to expose the inside view. Okay, so what is going to happen this side? So without fear or favor, I'm going to have this one solid now. They go till right there. They go till right there. So I cannot close it here, you understand, because I don't know what is going to happen there. Let me see, because my 61 is not ending there, but it's ending right there. You understand? And remember, there is a what? There is a washer, which is item 7. So let's confirm the washer, which indeed is going to be fitted there. So the inside diameter of item 7 is what? Is 20, which is corresponding with this M20. You understand? So it indeed is going to be fitted there. Remember, what is the function of a nut? Go back to your fitting and machining N2. Fitting and machining N2, whereby you were told what is the function of a nut. You understand? So you cannot fit the nut before, the washer before the nut. Supposed to, you firstly push, or you put the what? The washer, then you followed by a what? A nut. So we have to what? Draw the nut. So the washer, we are given the thickness of the washer, which is 3 millimeter. So I'm going to do it right there. So the 3 millimeter. So this is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Which is that one. So there is my 3 millimeter ending. So I can simply draw a faint horizontal line, and from there a vertical line actually. So we are given the what? The outside diameter, which is diameter 36. So 36 divided by 2, we are getting 18, isn't it? So now I'm come here. 18, there is my 20, there is my 19, there is my 18. So I mark at 0 and mark at what? At 36. There is 35, there is my 36. You understand? So after getting that, so I can come back to it. So to have this one now dark, that thickness of 3 millimeter, I can have it dark right there, and I can come back to extend this one and have this one and have this one. You understand? Because if we are cutting this night, we cut it here. We cut from here till there, the hex will be cutting something. So from here till there, it's a hole. From there till there, we'll be cutting. So these ones, they were hidden details. So this one going to change to dark, so that you put your hatches here and they put your hatches here. You understand? So that is why we have to have something like this. So now I can have this one dark. There you go. Everyone. So I can close it like this, my brother, because now I know anything beyond this, it's supposed to be what? A nut, which is item 8. They said to you it is not shown. Are we together? So this other side, there's nothing that's supposed to be fitted this other side. So your item 8 is supposed to be fitted there. So how about item 6? We've dealt with item 1, item 2, item 3, item 1, let me point, which is this one, item 1, right? Item 2, which is that other one. You'll see them clearly when they are now in section, isn't it? Item 3, which is this one that we just finished to draw now, and item 4, which is the shaft. It's actually starting here, isn't it? There it goes, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes, and it's not ending there, it's actually ending there. So item 5, which is the bush, is that one inside there. Then item 6, which is what we've been done. Remember, they said item 6, we have to draw it twice, so which correspond with this one and that one, this one and that one. But remember, we cut to separate. You understand? So the moment you put your hexo here, so you see that you'll end up drawing one. You understand? You'll end up drawing one. And what is going to happen here? What is going to happen here? If we cut here, okay, so now go back. Let me push it just a little bit. Remember at the beginning we said for now let us not draw dark here, but now we can have it dark. Why? We have confirmed Uguti these holes, they were actually not cut, my brother. They were not cut. Why? These holes, they are actually, even if you are tracing the same cutting plane there by your item 2, if you cut here, so this one, the hexo was actually separating, so you are going to have what, a solid line running like this. That does not tell you Uguti you are not going to see the head of your of item 6. You are still going to see the head of item 6, which means you have to draw, and you are going to draw it using what using what, a bolt and nut method. Especially Zumo is saying, I remember this one at high school, engineering, graphics and design. Especially how was it? I think it was simple for you, eh? So it's actually grade 12. This one is actually equivalent to grade 12. You understand? So okay, let's continue. We are going to start with what? Let us actually start with what? With the nut there. You understand? What is the function of a nut? What is the function of a nut? So you must know the bolt and nut standard formulas. So let us remind each other how are we drawing the bolt and nut formula. So we have to start with what? With the auxiliary first. So they said what? It's item 8 is what? Is M20. Item 8 is M20. So I'm going to say 1.5 1.5 times M20. How much am I getting? I am actually getting 30. You understand? So 30, that would be my diameter. So take your drawing compass. So I open it to what? To half of 30, which is, we said 1.5 times M number. So the M number was 20, isn't it? So we got 30. So this is the what we want to draw the auxiliary first. You understand? So so now if you say 30 divided by 2, you are getting 330, which is 30 divided by 2, you are getting 15, isn't it? So you open your drawing compass to 15. So I'll come this other side and draw the what? Hey, where is my eraser? I want to erase this one. Where is my eraser now? What the fuck? Jesus Christ. Yes. My drawing table is too small for me. So this is 15. I'll draw a faint line. So I just mark where were you placing your drawing compass is right there, isn't it? So I draw a vertical center line. Long shutter. So I have to extend this one just a little bit. So right, so now I want to draw the hexagon. So we have to draw the auxiliary hexagon, you know. So now I am going to place my drawing compass here, and I want this one to be across the flat. If I use the horizontal, I'll end up I am going to get the auxiliary hexagon, which is it's a flat one. So I have to get the one that is across the flat, which means I'm going to use the vertical center line. I place it here, further extend to the center. I mark here and mark here. Right, I place it here, further extend to the center. I strike an arc here, I strike an arc here. I come this side, I do the same thing, place it here, further extend it to the center. I strike an arc here, I also strike an arc right here. You understand? So from there, now I can have this one. dark